we are currently on the way to Ikea to have a look at some furniture for Charlie's crew, with Mum driving. So yeah, we'll show you what we find, and let's see. She's concentrating so she doesn't get lost. These are so cute. I love those.
So much bigger.
I know, they looked so much bigger online, but they're so cute. You could put like a little flower in there, 3 on a table.
Yeah.
These mugs are quite bad. Quite cute.
Order these online.
Yeah. We continue the hunt. Here are some chairs. This chair's not bad. How do you feel on that, Mum?
Quite comfy. Not bad.
It's a no from Andy Loeb. Those are quite cute. No, I prefer real.
It's quite nice to have plastic, because then you don't have to worry about all sorts of things.
Really cool.
Yeah.
I think these are my favourite things.
You like that mirror? It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's too big for.
Also, I don't like this wooden colour.
Get something else.
Oh, I like the white one.
And look, it's quite, it goes like thin. It's quite nice there.
I like that. This room is not for us. They are nice.
The sides on either side of the painting.
Yeah, we can put our cactuses on it.
Yeah, you can get a few of these. And those are the brackets.
I don't like that.
I know. Nor do I. So it's good that it's small.
Like, sinks like this is so nice. This was the table, yeah, for 2, and then obviously if you want to join, you can join 2 tables together.
Other colours. Marble.
That could be cool. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this table.
Yep. Big fan.
So this is the one we like in marble. Could be nice, Mum. Maybe with a glass top on top. It's a bit of a weird texture. Oh, I think we found our area, Mum. It's right there.
Look nice.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Should we sit on it?
Yeah. Cuts into your back at the back. You don't really ever kind of sit back, do you?
Yeah, I don't, it's a bit uncomfortable.
It's uncomfortable. It is comfy.
Right?
It's really comfy.
It does fit.
Put it out here. Space does it take up?
Like just a tiny bit more.
Yeah.
This is actually really not bad.
You need it in white, because it comes in white.
Let's go have a coffee.
You can't even see that I'm smiling.
You can see it in your eyes,
Can't see my
Mom.
braces.
I was obsessed with these.
We still like these. Are they the same ones? They just hook to each other. Look.
Yeah, those are really pretty.
Wild and moonish, but still nice.
It's very wild and the moonish. I think we spotted some nice things. I don't think they look like Ikea.
No, these are really cool.
How are we going to take them to Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah, I took a photo.
I think he's done well. With our white table and our chair and these. That's it. Everything else is a bit, not really, doesn't suit us, our brand. But this is great. This is Greece.
It's very Greek, yeah.
It's very
Mykonos.
Yeah.
Okay. Plants. I really want to see, they had a pineapple tree online. Oh, these are the ones I like. I love these. They're so cute.
Sorry.
I also really like these. This is nice. Oh, this is cool. Should we get the aloe vera?
You can?
And that's very like healthy. We have finished our shopping trip. We are finally out of Ikea's 26
we can take our masks
sections.
off here.
Bye!
Yeah, forever.
We're still not out of Ikea.
We can't get out of this place. Oh my god, it's like a horror movie.
I think it's just the way it is.
Do you?
Yeah. Finally. Now we have to find where we parked.